afternoon, class. I want to send another announcement today. There's something I wanted to talk about yesterday. I just totally forgot to during the video. So I just want to touch base on it a little bit today. We're roughly a third of the way through the class, give or take. And I just want to remind you something we talked about early on in the class about statistics as a whole, and this class really as a whole. That this class should be treated very differently from most other math classes you've ever taken. So in most math classes, you've probably taken a lot of algebra-ish type classes where basically the teacher is going to say, here's a set of steps that you walk through and you solve the problems this way. And pretty much every problem like that has the exact same set of steps. Statistics isn't like that at all. Statistics is much more about honing your critical thinking and your problem solving skills. So it's not so much that I can say, here's how to do this same problem, just redo these steps over and over and over again. Those aren't the types of skills we're trying to do. And so the types of help that are available for statistics classes are different than algebra classes as well. So the type of help necessary is to hone those same skills that I was talking about. So when you ask me for help, what you can expect to get out of me oftentimes is going to be questions. I like to use the Socratic method. The Socratic method is the same method used by Socrates, that he believed that asking leading questions to get people to get a better understanding is the way to teach. And so when it comes to statistics, that's often my approach as well, is I'm going to ask you leading questions for you to work on your reasoning skills. I can't tell you correct reasoning and get you to improve your reasoning skills. That's not the way reasoning skills work. You have to develop them through using them. So that's why I want to just ask you questions to get you thinking along the right lines. And oftentimes in our analysis assignments, that's the way they're set up. They're set up to sort of build up to an understanding. So we usually start off with some simpler problems, getting you going through crunching some numbers, and then start to say, all right, well, here's this number here, here's this number here, what do these mean, and how do we build up to that? So that's what we usually see in the analysis assignments. I want to bring this up because if you're having trouble with an analysis assignment, the best thing to do is to email me kind of what you have, what your general approach is so far, and that way I can guide you. I can either ask you questions or say, hey, this part of what you're saying is great, but you're a little bit off track over here, or you're misunderstanding something over here. Giving me something to work with allows me to guide you better towards those critical thinking skills and those problem solving skills, so I can identify, hey, you have great reasoning here, but this area over here might not be as good. So anyhow, I just want to touch base with you in regards to that, and hopefully everything's going well for you here in Module 6 as you're working through it. And if not, reach out to me. I'm here for you.